Advantages of share market. There are several advantages of participating in the share market. Potential for high returns. The share market has the potential to provide higher returns compared to other investment options. By investing in well-performing companies, investors can benefit from capital appreciation and dividend income. Liquidity. The share market offers high liquidity, meaning that investors can easily buy and sell shares as per their convenience. This allows investors to convert their investments into cash quickly if needed. Diversification. The share market provides ample opportunities for diversification. Investors can spread their investments across different sectors, industries, and companies, reducing the risk associated with investing in a single asset class. Ownership. Investing in the share market allows individuals to become partial owners of the companies they invest in. This ownership provides certain rights, such as voting rights and the ability to participate in the company's decision-making process. Wealth creation. Share market investments, especially when held for the long term, have the potential to create wealth. Over time, as companies grow and expand, the value of their shares may increase, leading to capital gains for investors. However, it's important to note that investing in the share market also carries certain risks. Share prices can be volatile and influenced by various factors, including market conditions, economic trends, and company-specific risks. It's crucial for investors to conduct thorough research, stay updated with market trends, and diversify their portfolios to manage these risks effectively. Remember, investing in the share market requires careful consideration and a long-term perspective. It's advisable to seek professional advice and educate oneself about the fundamentals of investing before entering the share market. I hope this provides you with a clear understanding of the advantages of participating in the share market. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Welcome to Ask Share Market. It helps you for how to earn from share market. It also gives all basic information regarding share market. It provides all strategy regarding trade in share market to earn and learn. Always welcomes your queries regarding share market.